Hey guys, welcome to QuadS Trading. My name is Simon, and in this video I just wanted to share with you guys what we are all about. We are a short selling community, and we short our bread and butter strategy, which we call an SS1. But before I get into strategy, I just want to show you guys what we have in our Discord. So in this channel here, this is just where we talk about trades. We just have all our members to just talk, hey, nuke popped up on the scanner, what do you think about it, yay or nay, and this one was not a trade. The lounge, this is just where we just talk about random stuff. And then we have here the scanner alert. This is where we have all the alerts sent to us on our Discord server, which is nice because then it happens, you can get them on your phone, and I do all of my trading from my mobile phone. So anyways, you have all the scanners, they just pop on there. And then we have our no trade list. This is just a list of stocks that don't usually do our pattern. We have some tools where I made some custom indicators just to help out and make things a little bit easier. And then here we have something that's really cool. This is our stock analyzer. Essentially, you just put any stock you like here. Let's just say stock, and yesterday we traded DATS. Oops, stock. So you send that there. It takes about 20 seconds for it to work because it's scraping data off the internet. And there you go, there's all your information. So it pulls all the information, most of it's from Yahoo, and we do have some stuff from a different website for dilution tracking. So essentially you just look at this here. Okay, when you do have some numbers out of whack like this, it's just Yahoo there's a mistake there, so you just look on a different website to find that information. It happens because there's no way this is minus 889,000%. But nonetheless, you just keep going here. It all looks bad. The ownerships are very low. The float is good. It's not nano float, so nothing to watch out about. Your EPS is very low. It doesn't have a lot of cash flow. Only have 8 months left of cash flow. All the income is in the negatives, the millions. And then here's the recent news. And if you look at the news, there's not much going on. So this here would be a definite yes on the trading. If it does our pattern in the charts, but for the stock analysis, it's a go. And then right now we're working on a new scanner. Essentially, it's going to look like this. We still have to fix just a few bugs, but we're almost there. So as we progress, because we are a new community, things will get a lot better. So essentially, a stock pops, you just hit analyze, and it's going to analyze the stock for you right away. That way you don't need to go to the stock analyzer every time and type it out. So for example, this one here, everything looks good, and minuses, right? Minus, minus, minus. The 52 week is minus 96, which is great. If you look at the ownerships here, they're all fairly low. Insider ownership, if it's like 90+%, that's the only thing you have to worry about. It has minus 1.5 cash left. So that means this one here is going to pump anytime soon to dilute their shares. If you look at all this, it's all the negative, which is perfect. And the news here, there's nothing too recent, which is good. That means they're not being pumped by PR. Yeah, so that's just our actual channel here. All right, so let's just pull some charts here. So this one night we traded yesterday on the definitely not the 20th, on the 6th of November, the day of the election. So essentially, it pumped all the way up here it pumped pretty high up here, but let's just go with this one here. 127%. And then I shorted it in this area here, and you cover at the purple line, which is right here. So for this trade here, $90 on 100 shares. I only traded 50 on this one here just because this stock specifically has some Trump trivia AI thing, completely irrelevant. But because Trump won, I figured, hey, maybe somebody's going to be dumb enough to pump this. But nothing really happened. So anyway, so I only made about 45 bucks on this one, which is not a big deal. So my account is only 2,000, but this is very scalable. I usually do 100 shares, but for this one here, because I got a few little red flags of the election, I did only 50. This one here is another one that happened today. See how it pumps? You would have shorted it in this area here, and then you would have covered at this purple line here. So it would look like this. This was $142 on 100 shares. And these things happen every day, right? So this one here pumped 97%. And the big winner for those who had the larger accounts was this one here. This one here pumped about 150, 200%, right? Boom, just like that. The entry was right here-ish. And if you go from here all the way to that purple line, which is right here, $493 for 100 shares if you had a larger account. Now, if you had a smaller account like mine, you would have only maybe traded 25 shares here. So 25 shares. You still made, what, $5 per share. So 125 bucks, which is not bad. So anyways, this is a strategy that we short. These shorts happen all the time. Like I said, it was just an intro to kind of show you what we do. If you have any questions, come join our Discord, which will be in the description below. Do subscribe to this channel because I do post my weekly trades. And we'll see you in the next one.